Hi, I'm Noah, and I'm going to show you how to detect spyware in computers. Often, if your computer is running exceptionally slowly, especially when you're browsing, it's a sign that you might have a lot of spyware on your computer. But if you have a doubt and you want to be sure, there are a few programs you can use to check. Now, if you think your computer might be infected with spyware, you can download a spyware removal program to detect any and all spyware that's on your computer for sure. Try Spybot Search and Destroy at www.safernetworking.org or another free program, Adaware, which can be found at www.lavasoft.com. By downloading and installing any of these free spyware removers, you can start a system scan, which will go through your whole system and give you a list of any and all spyware that has been found. Then you can follow steps guided by the program to remove any spyware that's been detected.